Hi, I'm Rhonda Robinson, also known as the WeaveGenius, and I'm thrilled to announce that I'm coming to 18 cities nationwide with the Weave College. Join me for hands-on training in some of the most in-demand techniques in the beauty industry. In my hair extension and microlink class, you'll master 7 advanced methods, including braidless sew-in, microlink sew-in, tape extensions, K-tips, I-tips, flat fusion, and micro bonds, all in one class. Included in the tuition are vendor details and step-by-step guidance on starting your own product line and certificate. That's not all. I'm also teaching lace front wig making. Learn how to craft custom wigs that fit perfectly for your clients. Hairpiece making. Create toppers, ponytails, bangs, and more. Flawless lace sew-in installs. You will learn my techniques for seamless, natural looks. As the pioneer of the braidless sew-in and lace frontal sew-in, since 2005, I've designed these hands-on classes to elevate your skills and boost your income. I'm bringing this training to a city near you, but if you can't make it, no worries. I also offer one-on-one training in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, or you can join me for virtual online classes from anywhere in the world. Don't wait. Take your hairstyling career to the next level. Visit theweavecollege.com or call us at 904-414-3998 to reserve your spot today. Hope to see you in class.